From the moment you arrive, you'll notice the care and craftsmanship in every detail, inside and out. This Boulder Hill home is as functional as it is beautiful. Inside, 9-foot ceilings and abundant natural light enhance an open floor plan designed for comfortable living and effortless entertaining. The kitchen features quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances, a breakfast nook, and built-in buffet, all flowing easily into the dining and family rooms. The family room centers around a cozy gas fireplace. Step outside to a spacious screened-in porch and open deck overlooking a private, tree-lined backyard, perfect for quiet mornings or summer evenings under the stars. The expansive primary suite includes a walk-in closet and a stunning renovated bath with glass shower and soaking tub. Three additional bedrooms and a full bath complete the second floor. The finished lower level adds even more flexibility with a recreation room, bonus space, full bath, and workshop-ready storage. With central air, solar panels, energy certification, and thoughtful upgrades throughout, this is a home that balances elegance, efficiency, and comfort in one of Shelburne's most desirable settings. Just minutes from the shops, restaurants, and charm of Shelburne Village, and less than 20 minutes to downtown Burlington, this home offers the perfect blend of peaceful neighborhood living and easy access to everything you need.